Guess what we found with our metal detector? Another metal detector!
Hey, this is Rick. I had got one of these mowers from a neighbor of mine, and she gave it to me. It wasn't working. Both of the wheels were locked up, and I think somebody threw it away, and she didn't want to see it go into waste, so she gave it to me. And well, the other day I finally got her going. Got the wheels all unlocked. They were all jammed up on the shaft there, and painted it up, greased it up, and she actually works really good now. I should have made a video on restoring it, but one thing I had never worked on one of these or even used one, but I was wondering if anybody was ever curious of what's inside here as to actually how it works. I actually found a little sprocket in there that was pretty cool, of some old technology. Man, I'm trying to mount the camera. There we go. Found some old technology in there of how they used to do things. I thought it was pretty cool, so I thought I'd share it. The only thing holding on this wheel is just a clip. Wheel comes off. Yeah, so basically it's just a big gear on the inside, and then there was this gear. Now this thing is pretty cool. You know, it'll spin freely one way, and then it locks up and will actually spin the blades. And how they do that on the inside, there it goes, is this, it's just a little three-way. What they do, let me turn this sideways, this key goes in here and it rocks back and forth from these angles. So one way it'll just keep on going around and let it free, let the wheel go free without spinning the blades. And then when you spin it the other way, the key will lock on here and rotate. So like now, the blades will spin, but the other way it just goes. I thought that was pretty neat. I've never seen anything like that using that type of method. And it's got the exact same setup on the other wheel, on the opposite wheel, so that you know, like when you're doing a turn, one wheel will still keep the blade spinning. Let's say like this one was, you know, you're spinning on this axis. This wheel is stationary, but the other one's actually moving around in a circle, that the blades will keep on turning. I thought that was pretty cool. And that's all it is to make this this mower work. Very simple. There you go. That's it, she's back together. Wish it was that easy the first time I took it apart, because I actually had to hammer these guys out from the wheel hub. Had to use a lot of heat and grease and a lot of time to actually free it up. And now she's good to go. The other side, I actually had such a hard time with it that the threads actually broke off. So I took, I took the I guess the axle you would call it, and there was threads coming out, so I chopped them all off, drilled and tapped it, and then put a screw in to hold that side. Compared to this one, focus on it. There we go. See, that side was threaded and then a nut holding on. And that's it. I hope you found it interesting. If you got any questions, let me know. See ya.